we have made representations concerning Nnamdi Kanu. We have also made sure that we have reached every aspect of the reachable, let me just put it that way. At a particular time, they said, oh, it has to be a national security issue. So we went and met the National Security Advisor, and they said, oh, it's a legal issue. We went and met the Attorney General. They say, oh, it's a this. And so at the point now.
Yes, depending on your time zone and location, update in the and keep us up with very, very important updates. 6 days call for to the day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu may appear in court with the new judge assigned to his case. Update with settle down. Watch this video. A few days ago, one night Senator Abaribe Kuru and Nkomere was started the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I will still play you guys the full video. Kuno watch ya. Man, one night can keep Azwa. If for this on 21st Mazi Nnamdi Kanu game me appear in court. Jidi that day, just Jidi that day, sorrow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so. Because that day got a very, very interesting day. The kepu na no underground now, but now over 10 US based lawyers. A Tiegaro now na Biafra land ahead of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court case. Obra also 10 US based lawyers so other military personnel bu Biafrans non na US based in the US. Bundam in the US Tiegaro basatar ipe Nnamdi Kanu ana come up on the 21st of this month. Actually gadi kan go tara go update ko si we gba na social media. Ki na afu kwa nke na ada before play zero video of here Senator Abaribe enyin na enwe iku basatar Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Unu ma no tego ana Nigerian government release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mande kugoro kuna mbunde mugoro anwu nde kugoro ke release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mana Nigerian government for ntututa na ha gejide ma man of God prophet of God kugoro ku si na nke na abia ma obunu na release onye ndu na o karikwara nke ge hit Nigeria ama no na afugokwa the trending video of where Nigerian Christian leaders will get report to US Congress gbasatara the killings a na-eme on Christians na this country. Wana nke ikpeazụ a Nigeria ga-ekwete nkwere ọkwa ha sị na nwere ife na-emuvu ha court case Mazi Nnamdi Kanu agadi kpọkpọ ka ngụpụta gị updates ka ifu ka o si wee na-ada nwanna hụchanti gị ọfụma ka ịnụrụ nke breaking news na watchikwa ya. US based Igbo lawyers and military officers arrive in Abuja ahead of Nnamdi Kanu's court hearing, threatened major sanction on Nigeria. A group of 10 US-based Igbo lawyers along with 12 Igbo military officers from the United States have arrived in Abuja ahead of Nnamdi Kanu's court hearing, signaling a major international showdown over his continued detention. Reports suggest that Nigeria could face the largest sanction in its history as pressure mounts from influential Igbo figures abroad. According to the source, prominent Igbo leaders in the US are determined to either secure Kanu's release or impose crippling consequences on Nigeria. Among the legal team currently in Abuja is a former judge of the International Criminal Court, ICC, an Igbo native from Abia State, Kanu's home. Hey! Onye nke abu from Abia, ebe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu si. Oman Nondo, ane me one yenwo kaifa. Nigeria must understand that Igbos outside the country wield even greater influence than those within. We will not be taken for granted. The Nigerian government must respect its own law and release Nnamdi Kanu. One of the lawyers stated. A US-based Igbo military officer also in Abuja delivered a strong warning. For 15 years, we ruled the skies of America, defending its airspace and neutralizing enemy threats. If necessary, we will do the same for our homeland. Wana obro kwam jonumku if I be fina trending na social media. Nka bu the latest updates na da gbasatara the court here Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If obna Nigerian government game now kita okada no kan ha me ya now release onye ndu before buying another level. Ihe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na eku for years. The if Nigerian Christian leaders now na afu now kita akotutu ha na efu ha they are now taking reports to Donald Trump and the US Congress reporting Nigeria over the jihadist agenda. Let me stop there. Watch is here the video of Enyin Naya Abaribe Ifoku concerning the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Metro makana share button, drop one opinion in the comment section. Echefuna, the bearing video share. Watch the rest of the video, guys. I'll be right back.
So the point is, why would you insist that that same judge continue to try someone? So Nnamdi Kanu was right to say no, you cannot do this. If a judge has said no, I will not do it, give it to somebody else. It is the Federal High Court with more than 100 judges. You can try it anywhere. You can also come back to the Southeast where you claim that the matter originated from, because it was supposed to be originated from Umuahia. There's a Federal High Court in Umuahia. You can try it there. It doesn't necessarily mean that one particular person must try it. So our conclusion is that this matter will have to be resolved politically. And to be resolved politically, we all have to meet up with the authorities in Nigeria and tell them every criminal in the Southeast has put a hook on the Biafra question and using it to perpetrate criminality. Every kidnapper, if you catch them, they say, oh, it's because they are holding Nnamdi Kanu. Those who continue to say, oh, don't come out on Mondays and others, say, oh, it's because of Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu himself has told us, has written it, and said, don't do sit at home anymore. Don't do all those things on my behalf. Yet, the people who want to perpetrate this mayhem on the Southeast continue to use it. So we think that if you remove that prop on which they are hooking all their criminal tendencies on, then they will have nothing else. Then you can now know a criminal from a so-called Biafran agitator. That is just the point. Right now, the Southeast is bedeviled in so many ways. And those of us who are the leaders of the Southeast, there is no single one of us that is not worried about it and that has not made any representation to that effect. So I will also use this opportunity on this my 70th birthday to appeal to the federal government to release Nnamdi Kanu. There are too many groups, too many people, including governors, who have said, release him to us. Let us now take the next step. The next step is to bring peace to the Southeast. Because right now, the economy of the Southeast has tanked. So many things are not going on. People have had to readjust their lives to not working on Mondays, and that is a massive devaluing of the currency in our society. So nothing else we can say at this moment than to continue to appeal to the federal government to do that. No, if I say that, then it will make me I'm not that important. I'm just saying, for the sake of the people of the Southeast, I will use this occasion of my birthday to also continue the appeal for Nnamdi Kanu to be released. Not for them to do anything to celebrate that way, please. Thank you. I will refer you to a video that was done, just to answer your last question. I will refer you to a video that was done by Patu Tomi. He said, at 70 you're just beginning. That's how he said.